Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to duplicate WooCommerce products, blog posts and pages in your WooCommerce website. Here you can go and install a free plugin. You can search for Shop Planter, scroll down and search for Shop Planter. You can find out this plugin from here. I have installed this plugin, and after that you can go back to the plugin settings, then click on modules, scroll down and here you can find out post duplicator. You can click on settings and here you can select what you want to duplicate. You can also duplicate these templates. So after that, click on save settings. Then let's go back to the pages and here you can find out this option HT duplicate. So you can duplicate any of the page from here.